Now let's see how we are going to submit our time, and the automation rule at the back end is going to run the job. It says that whenever the issue is moved to the status done, which equals that it's being approved, then the system would check on what is the comparison between the estimated time and the time that we logged. Based on that, it will assign the component, for example, time billable extra, in case that our time spent is more than our original estimate. And we have this all scenarios here. Let's look at it in action. I am right now logged in as myself, and I have the admin status in this project, as well as I'm going to be the reporter for this issue, which means that I'll have the right to approve the timesheet. Demo timesheet, and we're going to assign it to Kiran. Any kind of data in here. Okay, this is important. I'm going to estimate the time, no, sorry, this one, estimated as, let's say, 3 hours. And the category is going to be billable. To be able now to see the difference between the rights of myself as a reporter and approver of the timesheets, and Kiran, who is the assignee and who submits the timesheet for approval, I am going to log in as Kiran into the system. Okay, this is a board where I have all my tasks as Kiran. That's a different kind of board. So far we've been only looking at the work, Jira work management boards, and this one is Jira software. So I grouped here all my tasks pending and as well as done into those swim lanes by project, and also I have some filters, like for example, due today, what is due this week. In B1, this is the one that just been created. I see that I've been assigned to this task, and I have only 2 steps to move to. In progress would be the first. I am logging in the time. Let me log in 4 hours. So I have overspent. Now I do add it to timesheets. So this issue has moved to here, submitted for approval. Now let me switch back to my own account, and for example, I just jumped from my own personal space to timesheets waiting for my approval. And here's what I see. The same type of board. I have also highlighted those submitted timesheets with the color. Red would mean that it's overspent. The time is above the original estimate. Yellow means that it's fine, it's the match, and the green one is below. So 5 hours is less than 6. So for example, it's 2 and 2, that's why it's highlighted yellow. But if it was 3, okay, and that's how it works. So you see, it's very configurable. You can literally fine-tune it to your needs, your preferences, the way you want. Also, let's say I want just to see the billable ones. And where is... Okay, so this is the one which we just created, and Kieran submitted it for my approval. And here we go. Here I can approve. So let's take a look at automation rules. This one has been executed and the component has been assigned.